Good afternoon, class. Coming to you guys with this week's discussion board question, Module 8 discussion, ABAB withdrawal design. So, explaining how the ABAB design used in the study helps the researchers demonstrate experiment control. It helps the researchers demonstrate experiment control by, by showing that it increases the reliability of the results. Using this, you can see that results are reliable. They use ABA design to study research experiment control by through different comparisons and measurements. So they use different measurements, different comparisons, different students. That's how they're able to demonstrate experimental control. The results of the data are reliable. Also, how does this contribute to the evaluation of the internal validity? They were able to evaluate internal validity because it shows evidence data through three different results. Also, there are different results among three different settings. Also, ABAB design contributes to the evaluation of the internal validity because we are able to see the cause and effect of the baseline data and the interventions through this. Like I said, baseline data versus the interventions of in-seat behavior and behavior with the interventions of a ball. They showed three different, settings, playground activities, art activities, and circle time. So they were able to, show that this design or this research worked because, it worked in three different settings with three different kids. So that wasn't a threat to the, internal validity. It wasn't a threat to that because they were able to show, history effects and the testing and practice effects. It wasn't a threat to those because they had the participants, they had the history of all that. They had all those data, so it wasn't a threat to that. So that's how they was able to, contribute to the evaluation of the internal validity. I get mixed up with that word. I'm sorry, but that's my discussion question answer for this week. I hope you guys understood, where I was coming from with that. Talking about the, making sure the internal stuff was valid and making sure they showing how to demonstrate experimental control by just showing different measurements, showing the cause and effect of the interventions and the baseline data, or the dependent variable, independent variable, which dependent variable showed a change towards the independent variable. So hopefully, guys, can understand what I was saying. And talk to you guys later. Go Braves.